Hello, smart investors. I'm super excited to welcome you to today's edition of our Real Estate Made Easy. Today, we'll be discussing an important segment, which is how you can maximize real estate investment opportunity as a smart investor. Three different ways by which you can maximize your gain as a smart real estate investor. Now, let's start with one. There's a form of investment called land banking. In other words, we call it land banking development project. In this case, you do not need to have all the millions in the world to be a smart investor or to take advantage of the good opportunity real estate investment is giving out. With this, all you do is simply to invest into the real estate development project, i.e., construction of apartments, houses, flats, terraces, and duplexes. As an investor, your fund is used for that purpose. This gives you an opportunity to invest for a very short duration of time, i.e., 6 months to 12 months. In other words, and by this decision, you tend to enjoy a huge return on investment that is from 15% for 6 months to 35% for 12 months. So imagine this now. So that means instead of keeping the same fund in the bank, taking you are saving, and why it is depreciating in value, imagine the current exchange rate, imagine the current inflation rate. All of these have direct impact on the amount of money you have into your savings in the bank. So instead of losing out, and with that is even less the debit alert and what have you, all those extra charges and alerts you've been getting. So to maximize this, you simply put the fund at, for instance, from 500k, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 10 and above for a period of 6 months or 12 months. And the advantage that gives you is that perhaps you have a project in mind. Perhaps you want to start construction on your already existing land. So you need to save up for that purpose. So instead of keeping the fund in the bank, the thing you are saving, you can still invest the same amount of money you are trying to build up. So once you invest it, maybe now your intention is to start in 6 months time or 12 months time, and the one you have gotten already, instead of losing it, you keep it into such investment project, which gives you a return on investment about 35% in 12 months. That means now, for instance, now if you are having 1 million naira and you put it for 12 months, you get 1.35 as a return on investment with your capital in 12 months. That's a smart investment. So you can imagine if you are to put 10 million and so on and so forth. So that one, you are using one stone to kill two birds, as is often said. That is one. Another opportunity, another way you can do this is also is to buy land in a good location with a good title. What I mean by that is simple. That is, buying a genuine land with a verifiable title in a strategic location that ensures that your land appreciates in value and gives you a huge return on investment even within a very short time. We have a number of beautiful offers in that regard that you can actually tap into depending on your budget. From as little as 3.5, you can get a land with decision and so on and so forth. That is option 2. Another option is, now perhaps you do not want to go through the stress of laying foundation, erecting blocks, doing the drainages and what have you. You do not have time for all of that. Whether you have the fund to buy already built apartment, already built house, in which your own intention is just perhaps to let out after you bought it, or perhaps to even sell after your purchase. This is another wise investment opportunity. Now to this, there are two options. There's what we call an off-plan project, and there's what we call already completed project. Off-plan project simply means that it's a project that you put money forth before it is constructed, or while it is being constructed. That is, the developers in this case is the one that develops for you, builds for you. So you are buying it as the initial stage. For instance, now if a 3-bedroom duplex, for instance, is selling for 35 million naira for, as an off-plan project. That means that once you invest that 35 million naira, the developer builds the 3-bedroom duplex for you. It means that at completion stage, the same 35 million naira you have used in buying the 3-bedroom duplex could give you 45 million or 50 million in return when the building is already built, in which you can easily resell, because the cost of building materials, change inflation rate, change in dollar rate, and all of it, this also contribute to how accommodations get expensive. So you are already saving costs and saving stress by just investing at the initial stage. So your capital is used for that purpose. Now, once the building is delivered to you, you have an option either to resell to those who are looking for accommodation at that instance, or to eventually let out and be enjoying consistent, predictable rental income year in, year out. This is a tangible asset that you can pinpoint, you can touch, you can feel, that belongs to you. This you'll be grateful for. This your children will be grateful for. This your loved one will be grateful for, because you have maximized the golden opportunity of real estate investment, and you are getting richer because your money is working for you. So with these 5 points, I hope you'll be able to learn ways by which you can maximize gain and growth richer with your worth working for you to give you a consistent, predictable return on investment. With Belkalid Consults, real estate is made easy. If you have any questions on any of these 3 aforementioned ways by which you can maximize your gain in real estate investment, please feel free to drop your questions in the comment section, send us a direct DM, give us a call, ask questions on how you can maximize your gain in real estate investment, how you can grow rich, how you can create wealth, a legitimate wealth for yourself and your loved ones. Thanks so much for staying tuned. Thanks so much for your support. Feel free to drop your questions. Feel free to reach out to us. Let us know if you gain value from this short video. So come your way again. I remain yours sincerely, the MD CEO of Belkalid Consults Nigeria Limited, Belkalid. With Belkalid Consults, real estate is made easy. Cheers.